Our speciality is measuring land and buildings, so we carry out topographical surveys, measured building surveys, 3D laser scanning, monitoring surveys, but we also set out buildings when you're ready to construct.
Our range of clients are from homeowners all the way through to corporations and everything in between.
The client needs you to be there from the beginning to the end. I act as that liaison with the client from the minute that I take the phone call or the email that they want to use our services, right through to when we deliver the end product.
Hi Louise, yeah, got the survey done on site.
When you have one of us come out, it's generally that's the person who you'll deal with, and they'll deal with the project from start to finish. And if it does involve 2 of us or 3 of us, it's still a small team, so you have a personal relationship with the engineer. Quite often we get some new clients and they sort of say, oh, I've been told I need a topographical survey, but I don't know why. So first thing we do is say, send us a plan. Send us something that we can start to look at the same, so we're both looking at the same picture.
It's about telling the story. So from the minute that we receive a quote and a site plan, we start to look at exactly what the architect or client's going to need going forward. We'll work with them to ensure that the drawing that we're going to produce has all the detail on it that they require. If that means that we have to take an extra step on what we would normally do, we'll always make sure we understand that before we go out to site.
We're very lucky that we've got Dean and Gary who are very good at the detail. They're very methodical, they work really well at doing the survey side of things, and they bring that detail so it's clear.
Somebody can look at a site plan, look at our drawing, without going to site, to understand what's going on there.
Cheshire Surveys provide a topographical survey which I can import into my CAD system and then create a 3D model of the house and garden as it is and then start designing over the top of it.
The Cheshire Garden has been a customer for 3 years. We work very closely with Jane, particularly where she needs surveys doing before she starts the design process.
They can provide a topographical survey with all the elements that I require, such as heights of doors and windows, inspection covers, downpipes, so that I have the full picture of the garden before I start designing.
If you do a topographical survey, you'll know exactly your land. You'll know exactly what the levels are doing. You'll have an accurate plan of what you're working to.
The ridge picking up there.
Yeah, that tree over there. If someone's thinking of giving Cheshire Surveys a go, I would say absolutely go for it. They're a fantastic company to work with. They listen to what you want and then they produce exactly that.
We'll also be there after we've done the survey, so if they're in their project going forward, they can always come back and ask us any questions that they need to in relation to the work that we've done.
And I think that's partly why clients come back to us, because they know the people they're talking to.
For new customers, I'd say get in touch with us. We will offer a service from beginning to end. You'll know who you're speaking to, we can answer any of your questions, and even when we've done the work, you can always come back to us to ask us anything. We are a family-run small business offering a quality service. We don't want to lose that. So going forward, it's strengthening that, but making sure that the ethos of who we are stays with us going forward.